Today's Sunday dinner is authentic Jamaican oxtail. I haven't even cleaned or cut the fat off this meat yet, but it's such good quality meat. Cut that off. It looks really good. So I'm gonna clean the meat now, and I'm gonna cut off all the fat. BRB. So you gotta cut off the excessive fat off the oxtail. You don't want this in your pot because it has too much oil and it's just gross. Get rid of it. When the oxtail looks like this, there's really nothing to cut off. You gotta get all this white shit off before. My oxtail is washed clean, all the fat is cut off, and now it's time to season her on down, honey. So these are all the seasonings I'm using for the oxtail. I'm using garlic, minced garlic. You guys can use fresh garlic, but this is just easier for me. Use fresh garlic if you choose. A little of the browning because it gets too black. I like the garlic escallion from the Jamaican seasoning department, oxtail seasoning. This is for chicken, but I put it on my oxtail. Garlic powder, complete seasoning, and allspice pimento. Those I crush. And then I'm gonna make my tea right now and cover it so I can drink it tonight after this big ass dinner. So this is how much garlic I put on there. I don't measure anything because I'm a real cook. This is the garlic escallion. Alright, oxtail seasoning. And everything I'm doing, I'm gonna repeat this 3 times because it's a lot of meat. Complete. Browning I'll add later, and this I'm gonna crush. Once you put all that seasoning in, like I said, you're gonna repeat this step 3 times because it's too much meat. So there's so much under there that's not done yet. So I'm not gonna film me repeating it 3 times. I'll just show you the end results. So this is what your oxtail should look like once you get 3 rounds of seasoning in. If you notice, I left some water in there. I did that on purpose. So when I throw it in the pot, my little water is seasoned. So I want you to see how much browning I add, not a lot. That's it. And that's because I have a lot of oxtail. The browning starts to get really dark in the end, and you don't want it to look like your oxtail burn up. So after this, now we're gonna add onion, green pepper, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. I'm gonna rub it all the brown in, get all the white ones. So here I have onions, scotch bonnet pepper, green pepper, thyme, a lot of onion, scallion. I think I have like 4 scotch bonnet pepper. We like our oxtail very spicy. Pour it all in here and you stir it all down. So I have my extra large Dutch pot from Jamaica, and I just use avocado oil spray. I do not cook my oxtail in oil and you brown it first. That's just BS. So you just pour your oxtail in here. cover it. This is gonna take 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. And every time the water goes away, you just keep adding more water, you'll see. So as you guys know, I'm making this big oxtail dinner, and you have to make your Keyshia tea. Look how organic the herbs are. It's like so good. It's all natural, it's vegan, it's non-GMO. You put it in the cup. I add 1 stevia leaf sugar and half a cup of water. Get inside the cup. I'm not even gonna do half because this is a big cup. That's it, no more. Cover it and warm it on the microwave on 1 minute, and that's it. So just a quick update, it's probably been 10-15 minutes maybe. And you just wanna get in here. Remember, we put a little water in there and then it's automatically gonna make its own water. You just gotta keep stirring it. So this is just a quick update, guys. I'll be back in like an hour. Okay, so it's been an hour. And this is what your oxtail should be looking like. Look at the gravy. No oil, guys. No oil. It's still browning.
Yes or no?
Still looks really good. It's not cooked yet. It's still hard. So again, oxtail take 2.5 to 3 hours to cook. I don't use a crock pot because I don't like the texture. It's like a soupy vibe. This way it gives it like a brown vibe, which is why y'all fry it first, which is stupid because you get the same effect, healthier, tastes better. And then so now I need to add some more water. And I've been adding water throughout. Got to just keep adding water because it will burn. And the stove temperature needs to be on like a medium, not high and not low, medium. All right. Oxtail is almost finished, guys. Some people add beans. This is where you would add your bean. It's like 10 minutes left. I'm not adding any beans today. Some people add spinach, that's dumpling. I'm not adding that either. I just like it like this. Let's put a piece on here to see. Yeah. Oh, it cooked. It literally cooked. It's so pepper. Tastes so good. I'm really good at cooking oxtail. I don't even have to taste it. It's like I could cook this shit with my eyes closed. So I wanted to show you guys, even though I didn't put any oil in it, which is why I don't. Look at all this grease. Oxtail is a very fatty meat. And I do this and get rid of it because I hate grease. Grease means fat. This is my rice and peas. Gunga rice and peas. And she's almost ready. And just like that, my oxtails are ready. Dinner is served. It smells so good. My little coleslaw. I was gonna make mac and cheese, but I'm like, shit. We ate too much during Christmas and New Year's Wednesday, so I tried to cut down. But yeah, here she is. So cute. Get into the juices, honey. My tea is ready to go, guys. It's been sitting here maybe 5 to 6 hours. There's 2 tea bags. It's just a little bit of water. You will dilute the tea with the more water you use. The less water, the stronger the tea. The darker the water, the stronger the tea. The more times you'll go to the bathroom, the more poop you'll get out of your tummy. So she's ready to go, and for who do not know, the tea is available at KURfitness.com. KURfitness.com. We also have a detox pill, which does the same thing, but instead of making the tea, you just take your pills. It's 0 calories, guys. This is very good, very healthy, weight loss, detox your body. It's organic, it's just caffeine free. It's just really good. It's a natural cleanse and it's an appetite suppressant.